students. Today we are going to study a new topic named verb. Already you have studied in your previous classes, but today we are going to study one more important thing in verb, that is regular verbs. Okay, so let's begin with the verb and regular verbs. First of all, what is verb? Verbs are action words. These words tells us what a person does. Action word, whatever action is going on. Okay? And this words tells us what a person does, what a person is doing. Whatever a person is doing, we come to know that is action. And that action is verb. For example, you are able to see two pigs here. Look at the pigs. Here one boy is holding one paintbrush and painting kit. That is for doing the paint. He is doing painting. Another boy is swimming. So these are the actions: painting, swimming. Many more examples are given here. Fly, bend, stand, dance, walk, talk, pull, speak, go, run, travel, examine, see, write, read, ring, play, cook, and many more are verbs. This words tells us about the action. This words tells us what the person is doing. For example, fly. Bird is flying. So fly is an action. Bend. A person is bending. Stand. A person is standing. Dance. A girl is dancing. So dance. Walk. Talk. Pull. Speak, go, run, travel, all are action words. And these action words are known as verbs. From this we come to know what a person, what a thing, what an animal, what a bird or any other insect or anything is doing. That is an action done by them. Okay, so this is verb. Now, a verb that follows a standard pattern in its inflection. Now we are going to study about regular verbs. You come to know about verbs. Now what is regular verb? A verb that follows a standard pattern in its inflection. The past tense of a regular verb is formed by adding n, ed in ending. Okay, a verb that follows a standard pattern. Some standard pattern a verb is following. The past tense of a regular verb means when you are going to make the past tense of this regular verb, you are going to add ed in the ending. Okay, you are going to add ed in the ending. For example, walk. Past tense is walked. Shout. Past tense is shouted. So this is a regular pattern followed by the verb. That is the past tense when you are going to add ed in the past tense of that particular verb. This verb is called regular verbs. Okay. For example, bake. Another example. Past tense of bake is baked. And future tense will bake. Will bake. Another word is given here. A word such as write. Write is an irregular verb. Because the past tense form is not writed but is rather wrote. Now, when you will make past tense of write, you are not going to add D. It will not be righted. Past tense of write is wrote. That means this write verb is not following a particular pattern of adding ed. Okay. So, this is not a regular verb. Hope you understood. First, verb means an action word. Whatever action a person is doing is verb. And if the past tense, now what is the past tense? Past tense is you are going to add ed. If you are going to add ed in that particular verb, that means it is a regular verb. If the past tense is changed from ed, it will not be regular. It is irregular verb. Okay. Now let's see many more examples and it will be clearer to you by these examples. So, first you are going to make 3 columns. That is V1 known as present tense, V2 known as past tense, and V3 means past participle. These are the 3 forms of verb: V1, V2, V3. Verb 1 means present tense, verb 2 is past tense, verb 3 is past participle. Now, why we are learning this? Why we are studying this? These 3 forms of verbs are very much important. This past tense and past participle, or say V3, when you are going to change the tense from present tense to past tense, you need verb 2. And for making present perfect tense, you need verb 3. That is, for changing the tense, for narration, for voice, you need this 3 forms of verb. That is why this topic is very important. You must know the past tense or verb 3 form, V2 and V3 of all the verb, so that you can easily use in your tense. Okay. So, what you are going to do now? We are going to make 3 columns, V1, V2, V3, and you can either write present, past and past participle. Then start writing. Attack. You are going to add ed and it will become attacked. Third form is again attacked. Now next word is adopt. These are all, remember, these are all verbs. Adopt, adopted, adopted. Advise, advised, advised. Now already E is there. So you are going to add only D word, not ED. Already E is there, so just add D. Advise, advised. Allow, allowed, allowed. Assist, assisted, assisted. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Accept, accepted, accepted. Next, answer, answered, answered. Appreciate, appreciated, appreciated. Approve, approved, approved. Ask, asked, asked.